Hey, welcome back, everyone. So, as you all know, I have had Steam Deck, Valve Steam Deck, gaming device, handheld gaming device, about a month, a month and a half, I would say, more or less, a month and a half. And so far, I'm really enjoying this. And I'm going to tell you the few reasons as to why I'm enjoying this device. And one of the main reasons why I enjoy this device, it's the flexibility of the things that you can do on it. It is a Linux run device, so that means that you can install any kind of emulators from PlayStation to Dreamcast, Sega Genesis, etc., etc. And you can do that very successfully with this device. And with all these controllers that it has built in, it's a perfect device for that. Also, not to mention, the Steam Valve, Steam Deck certified games like Elden Ring and others, and a huge library of Valve games that are out there. Uh, Not to mention that as well. On top of that, obviously, that you can play those games which are from Steam, certified for a Steam Deck to work with the Steam Deck the best, which I'm going to show you actually in a little bit. And another thing is that you also have the ability, because it's a Linux, to connect to a cloud gaming service like Shadow. And people ask, well, why is this so important that you can connect to Shadow? Because the Shadow, it's a PC, right? And once you are connected to a PC, sitting somewhere out there in a data center, then you can go ahead and play the games from the PC, any game from the PC. And on top of that, you can also access PlayStation Now, Stadia, xCloud, huge library of games from xCloud, PlayStation Now, and you got Stadia, Amazon Luna, on top of the PC, where you can download those games and play it directly from a PC cloud computer that sits out there somewhere in a data center. On top of the Steam Deck games that you can play and the emulators that you can use. So there's so much here to unpack. There's so much here that you can do. And this is why I've been bragging about Steam Deck. This is why I've been telling people about Steam Deck, because of all of these things that you can do. Okay? So, for example, I'm going to connect to Shadow right now. I'm going to do it right now. Here, I'll click on it. I am not going to even edit this video, as a matter of fact. I'm just going to go ahead and connect to it, because I don't believe in editing videos. Because when you edit videos, then you can go ahead and pull some tricks or rabbit out of the hat. When you are just doing it like this, then people can see that I'm not pulling any rabbits out of the hat. I don't have a hat, so I don't have a rabbit magic hat, but I do have some caps. Caps, one of those baseball caps. All right, so I'm going to click on the Shadow app. As you can see, it's going to run directly from a Linux. This is a Linux operating system, desktop mode, and that's where you download the Shadow software. You have to go to shadowtech.com, and from there you download it. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to, enter my credentials, and I'm going to go ahead and connect to Shadow. See, right now it's connecting. All right. And here's the beauty about this. All you need is 3 megabits to connect to the Shadow. I mean, 3 megabits, your cellular connection or your hotspot probably has, 120 or 150 megabits. Depending on a hotspot, you might even have a 480 megabits. So it depends what you have, 4G, 5G, right? But with this thing, you just need lousy 3 megabits, MPBS, megabits per second, to connect to this thing. And that's the beauty of it. There we go. See, it's already connected. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna type in my name. You can use a keyboard. All you have to do is press Steam button and X, double tap, and then you'll see the keyboard. And you can type in on the keyboard. You know, it's very unique. It does have like vibration on it. It's like a mechanical keyboard feel type of it. So you can go ahead, type it in, which I'm going to do right now. Put my credentials. Okay. Here we go. Just put my name there. All right. So 1 second. There we go. I'm doing this unedited. Like I said, I don't believe in pulling the rabbit out of the hat, editing videos. I'm not saying that people are, you know, trying to pull some tricks, but when you're editing videos, you can easily pull any tricks you want. So right now it's loading. Now, shadow is just one of the reasons that you can use this device. But there's, like I said, many other reasons besides shadow. You can use emulators. You can play games from the Steam Deck, obviously, from the Steam store. Okay. And there it is. Here I am. I'm right now in my Windows PC Shadow Cloud. I got over 2.2 terabytes of storage, and all I need is a lousy 3 megabits per second to connect to the Shadow, and I can use it. You see, it has a mouse, so it's very unique. You see, like for example, right here, this is very unique. You know, it has the mouse, and it's perfect. That's why I said this device, it's perfect for Steam Deck, because it already has all of the buttons, all of the triggers, all of the thumbsticks, built-in keyboard, and the mouse already built into it. So this device, it's like match made in heaven for Shadow. And this is why I've been kind of pushing this, because it blows my mind that even Shadow, it's not talking about the compatibility, how beautifully it works with Steam Valve. And that's why I'm kind of pushing this out there for people to kind of be aware of this, you know, in case you purchase a Steam Deck this October, you'll maybe think about the Shadow. Maybe I should use that upgrade of Shadow and get that 3070 and 16 gigs of RAM and that 4-core Ryzen, whatever, the latest CPU, and then enjoy this. So I'm going to go ahead here. Like, see, I have my PlayStation Now already built into it. I already got my PlayStation Now. It's already there on the computer, so I can already play games from PlayStation Now. I can play The Last of Us. I can play God of War. I can play the entire library of PlayStation Now games. It's already in there. I can jump onto the Steam Deck. And here's the beauty. Now I'm using their internet. Right now I'm using a Shadow internet. And how cool is that? And I am just using my 3 megabits per second to connect to a Shadow data center. And here I am. Now I'm using their internet. I can browse. I can play PlayStation Now games. Okay. I can do, yeah, I can browse right now. There it is. I can browse. There I'm browsing right now. There it is. I can scroll down and go ahead and, you know, I can even use my touch screen if I want to. So there it is. Now I can browse. But guess what? While I'm browsing, I'm using their internet. Or I can go and connect to my YouTube channel. I can watch my videos. I can watch the videos that I did. Here, I can watch my Days Gone video. Click over here. There it is.
So we'll see what's gonna happen.
That's my video right there. I'm watching it.
Have a conversation with
See? Or I don't have to do that. I can just go back. It's like I have my own computer now. See, now I have a PC on this handheld device. And I can play any game I want. I can play here, for example, if I want to play, let's say, let's see what we have. Hold on. There, I can play The Last of Us right now. I can click on it. And it's going to start right now. And I'm using their internet. You know, it's funny. The Shadow just sent me a message. It's more than just a PC. Uh, and it's true. It is more than just a PC. It is more than just a PC. Because there's so much you can do. Use dual screen, use the ultra wide screen, use virtual reality, and you can do all of that on the go as you are traveling, right? As you are going somewhere. And this device, Steam Deck, it's a match made in heaven. I would highly recommend. I can't emphasize enough. I would highly recommend that you guys get this device. Steam Deck with Shadow is just, it's perfect. It's perfect. So right now I'm using their internet. I'm connected to PlayStation Now, and now I can play, The Last of Us or what have you, whatever games they have available on there. There, I'm gonna put it in the on the full screen right here. There it is, Naughty Dog, right there. The Last of Us. There you go. There it is. I can start playing it right now. Press start. The Last of Us. Continue. There it is. It's gonna load up right now. And there it is. Here I am. I'm playing it right.
Say we get a car from this buddy of yours. Then what?
Well, then we go find Tony.
Marlene said he's your brother?
There it is.
Firefly. You know where to take me.
Okay.
Lives far from here, just 5 minutes in the car.
And I'm playing The Last of Us. Okay? There I am, playing The Last of Us. On this device. How about a Halo? Okay, so here I am on my Xbox, xCloud. Now I can play a Halo if I want to. Here we go. I can go ahead and play the Halo right now if I wanted to. And sure, why not? Why not do it? And here I am. I'm going to start playing Halo right now. There, you'll see it in a second. There it is. Xbox Game Studios, Halo. So think about this. With Shadow and Steam Deck, you got a full package deal. You can play everything and anything. The entire library of Steam, the entire library of Epic Games, xCloud, Game Pass, PlayStation Now, not to mention the games that you can play from Steam Deck. They're certified to run on a Steam Deck, on top of using emulators. On top of that, you can also use emulators. So Steam Deck is truly a remarkable device, but it becomes even more remarkable when you have Shadow built into it. Yes, you can also play Stadia, you can play Amazon Luna. So this device right here, I would highly recommend to all of you. Is it worth it? Absolutely, 100%. It's definitely worth it. And that's all I'm going to say. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. Take care.